How to share product link. Are you guys facing issue to share product link to your friends on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now just go over the product that you are interested on. After you enter the product, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the share icon. Tap on it. Now just simply copy the link. Once you copy the link, paste it on your friend's inbox. After you paste it, the selected product will be sent on your friend inbox ID, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna share product on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the